This is Tuesday, October the 7th. We're here in the big room up in the county courthouse where council used to meet, the beautiful room up here. And today I have with me Marilyn Crewe, the Economic Development Officer of the town of Neepawa, who's also handling the recreation area at the moment, and also Lindsay Hextall, who is a Human Resources Director out at HyLife. And they have been working cooperatively on a number of programs to keep our community safe. We're calling it COVID Safe Community Programs. So I'd like to introduce them on the right, Marilyn Crewe. Welcome, Marilyn.
Thanks, Dave.
And to Lindsay, welcome.
Thanks, Dave. Happy to be here.
Thank you for coming. Now I know the program that's happening right now, it's in the paper, it's a coloring contest for kids and things of that nature. Tell me how that got started and what it's all about, Marilyn.
Well, we've been working with HyLife over the past month to really amp up the message of being a safe community here. So we did the mask program in September, and now we're doing the poster contest with the Neepawa banner and press to encourage people to think about who they're being safe for. So there's a coloring page in the banner and press for 3 weeks, and they've also been distributed to the schools. So HMK received print copies of the poster, and the middle school and collegiate have received digital versions. So we just encourage people to color the pictures, fill in who they're being safe for, and to post those to the Town of Neepawa Facebook. And there are prize packs to be won. So this project runs for 3 weeks. Every week a winner will be chosen, and prize packs will be distributed to those winners. The prize packs,
I'm just going to say, so the schools are involved. That's really great. Some of the classes might even make a class project out of it, I suppose. Perhaps.
Absolutely. We really wanted to encourage the schools to be engaged in this. The posters, once they're done and pictures taken, could be put on their front window of their home so their neighborhood can be displaying how they're being safe.
And there's a deadline on that, Marilyn?
Yeah, there's 2 more weeks of this. I think the deadline, what did we say?
14th?
October 14th will be the final opportunity to be entered for the prize.
Okay, well that's great. That hopefully that a lot of children, well, and adults too, get involved in the program. So yes. How did this get together? Maybe Lindsay, tell me how HyLife got involved in it.
Right, so our messaging is we always have adapted that preventative culture right at our company. And we know more than anybody that you have to have really good partnerships in your community, because you can't just have one business doing the right thing when it comes to COVID prevention. We all have to do our part. And we've been just astonished at the commitment of the town, the communities, the businesses, to really maintain all the right things that we're doing, right? So I'm being safe for, that's a great message, right? Like, why are you wearing a mask in public? Why are you keeping your social distancing? Why are you staying home when you're sick, right? That really drives that message home, because, you know, we've had COVID with us for a while now and people tend to get fatigued from it, but we have to stay diligent in order to keep our community safe. So we thought, what better thing to do than go out with the community and do a few initiatives. So we started, like Marilyn said, with the free masks for the households, and HyLife sponsored that just with giving the mask donation, but the town took that, and the execution of making sure that people in the community had a mask pack each was excellent. We were so impressed with them. And then coming up together, meeting with the businesses and saying, how can we get people even more involved and make it fun, right? Because sometimes with COVID, the messaging is always, don't do this, don't do that. So we wanted to bring some energy back into COVID prevention. So the I'm Being Safe For initiative was created to get kids involved, parents involved, households involved, and the community really stood up and donated prize packs. So we're really impressed with all the businesses, because if we all don't do it together, we can't prevent anything, right? So this has been a fun initiative, and I think it's been just absolutely overwhelming how much people adapt.
Well, I really like the idea, I'm being safe for. It's that you're doing something for somebody else as opposed to, you know, keep myself safe. No, I'm doing what I'm doing to keep other people safe and help the community, because we're definitely all in it together.
For
There's
sure.
no doubt about that. So are there some more details, Marilyn, as to just tell me again what the details are regarding the entries and so on? The information's out. It's going to be in the banner again this week, I understand, with the big page.
Yes.
And just what are they supposed to, after they color it, what exactly are they supposed to do with it?
So they have someone take a picture of you with the poster colored and who you're being safe for, and post it to the Town of Neepawa Facebook. So hashtag Town of Neepawa. And then they will be entered to win the prize. All of the details on how to enter are in the side column on the side of the poster. That's in the Neepawa banner this week again, and next week again. If you don't have access to the banner, this poster is also available on the Town of Neepawa website under our COVID information page. You can print it off and color it at home and enter the contest that way as well.
Do you have a copy to maybe show the folks? There you go.
Yeah, I'll see if I can zoom a bit there. Yeah, I think most people maybe have seen it in the paper. I hope you took it and colored it. So how are the winners determined?
So there will be random selection from the people that have posted to the Town of Neepawa Facebook page. And the first prize will be actually given out today. And so you will see the first prize winner in the banner this week. I also want to give a shout out to all of the chamber businesses that have contributed to the prize packs. So a rough estimate of the value of each of the prize packs is $600
For each one?
for each one. So this is a pretty significant prize, but we couldn't have done it without all of the Neepawa businesses, and there's a long list, and so I don't want to start making that list because I'm afraid I'll miss someone. But a lot of businesses stepped up in really significant ways to make this happen.
Well, we always get great cooperation with the businesses and the cultural people, the institutions, everything in our town. We've always found they work really well together. So here's another example of Neepawa pulling together to do this. So just a question now, if I entered for today's draw, is that like an early bird draw? Am I still entered for the next one and the next one, or do I have to do another picture?
Yes, so if your name is not selected today, then you will be entered for the rest. But once you've won, you cannot win another prize pack. I think we need to be able to share this.
I think Dave was trying to get in there.
Yeah, I think so. Dave, have you done your poster yet?
Well, I missed out on the first draw, so I'm just wondering
You got time, Dave.
what the
still have time.
competition is for the next one and so
Yeah.
on. So, well, that's great. And so, do you want to say something about the mask program, just to finish up at all? Like, it was really great. We all got these. They showed up. We all were just thrilled. Where did we get these from? And you did say, I think, that if there were people didn't need them, maybe bring them back to the town office. Did many people bring them back, and have you got more?
There was a few families, households that brought their masks back. And there are masks, so for families that can't afford to purchase masks ongoing, we have provided some masks to the Salvation Army. So there are masks there for families that maybe are struggling to provide masks for their kids from school or whatever. Certainly we could not have done the mask distribution without the help of Touchwood. Touchwood packaged up all of those bags for us and actually helped us with some of the household delivery as well. So Touchwood was a great partner in the mask program.
Well, and then there's another example of somebody stepping up and helping out, and so on with Touchwood. And Lindsay, if any final parting words you'd like to say in regards to the coloring contest or the mask program?
We just want to encourage everybody to participate, right? The more we get into this together, the more we're going to keep COVID out of our community. We have done a really good job to this point, right? And we've been excited about our partnerships, and we're going to continue to do this. This is not a one and done thing. We're continuing to bring the businesses together. So if businesses want to be involved, I think they should contact Marilyn, because the more of us that get together and continue to do the same things, continue to keep commit to the safety of our employees, our communities, our animals like we do at HyLife, I think the more effective we're going to be. And we need to just continually look for more effective measures. And if bringing attention to something like this is part of those effective measures, then let's do that together. and make sure everybody has confidence that they can go into a business and be safe, that they can come to our plants and be safe, or to their employers and be safe, and that we're doing everything that we possibly can to make sure that everybody in this community is safe and protected.
Good, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We're now over at the town council chambers, the new council chambers that they use all the time here. And Marilyn has moved over, and this is the prize package that is being drawn for the first prize. This is all in one prize. The person that wins this wins all of this, is that correct?
Yes, our local Chamber of Commerce has really stepped up and come on board with this project for our poster campaign. So all of this is one prize pack, and there will be 2 more. So if you haven't entered your poster yet at Neepawa, Town of Neepawa Facebook page, do it soon so that you'll be entered for next week's draw.
So do you want to hold a couple of those up there? What?
Yeah, so there, local Dairy Queen, there's a sweatshirt and a $25 gift card. Co-op has been very generous. Mazer Group, Enns Brothers, all our ag companies have come on board, our local financial institutions, and then there's the gift cards. 100 chamber bucks from the Community Foundation, 100 chamber bucks from John's Electric, gift certificate from Touchwood Park for some of their delicious cookies, $50 gift certificate from Giant Tiger, Team Electronics, Shop Easy. It just keeps going and going.
These are amazing, and one person's going to win all this, and they're coming, the draw been made, and the winner is coming here very shortly.
Yes.
Terrific.
All right, I'm here with Stephanie Marfit, who is our prize pack winner for week 1 of our poster contest. So congratulations, Steph. And this is everything that's in your prize pack. So you can take a look. You have a new winter coat. It's a hat, gloves, hoodie. There is Farmery hand sanitizer for you, keep you safe for your community. And then there's all this selection of gift certificates and chamber bucks that you can spend out and about in our community.
Value?
Oh, the value of this prize pack is over $600, thanks to our chamber members for that. And there is 2 more to go.
Comment, Stephanie?
Thank you.